excited because this is our first science experiment with our little one. And so every day we try to emphasize a different experience for her. So this is after she comes home from school. So she is eagerly sitting here and she is listening. So we're doing a science experiment with density and also with temperature. So we are going to quiz her to see the temperature, and also we will explain some aspects of density to her as well. But we have our handy dandy balance meter. And so this is a great way it's the sepHbalance. And so it has a fancy on-off switch, it has a shift, and it also has a hold. And it also has a cap so that you can keep it from rusting or things of that nature. So it's really, really neat. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on, and automatically I sit at 0, 0, 0, 0, and then the temperature in our house is 77 degrees. We're in Texas, so it's 77 degrees right now. You can also switch this to Celsius depending on the country and also depending on the skills that you want to integrate for your kiddos. And then you can also look at the parts per million, or you can look at the, what else, honey?
You can look at the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Yes, the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. So here's my question. We're going to do that one next. Okay, so we have, as part of our demonstration, and this is like the little box that it comes in, and you can order this on Amazon. So thank you, sepHbalance, for enabling us to try this. But it's TDS and EC, so that's something that I'm very interested in. And I'll just tell you, I'm being judged right now because my husband is a former science teacher. And so I have to make sure I am really, really doing this well. So we'll see. Hopefully
Don't hate the teacher, hate the game.
Oh, ha. So he'll give me an A+, hopefully by the end of this experience. Okay, so we will start right now. So, little one, I have a question for you. I want you to tell me, so let me tell you what we have. We have Crest mouthwash. We have Smart Water. We have Simply Dressed. What is this?
Simply Dressed.
Yes. We also have Clorox, what do we use this for?
Spraying.
For spraying. And we have
Milk.
So, which one of these do you think is the coldest? Which one is that? Sit down, please.
The milk.
The what?
The milk.
Okay, so we're gonna see. So right now it's 8-0, right? Okay, so we're going to see. Okay, so it's going down. It says 78 degrees, 77. That's some warm milk, isn't it? So 77 degrees for the milk. And also the milk is, which one is cloudy? Which one of these do you think is the cloudiest?
What?
Cloudy, very cloudy.
The milk?
Not very clear. Not clear, but cloudy. You think the milk is the cloudiest? So this is 75 degrees. So that's some warm milk, right? So it says 2,500 parts per meter. Parts per million. Yes, parts per million. See, I'm already making a B here. Okay, so we're going to neutralize this. Then, for the Clorox, we have, actually, that's kind of interesting. I didn't realize that, but it's only 6, actually it's decreasing, so we'll see. This says 607, 605, etc. And it's only 71 degrees. So that's kind of crazy because our milk is warmer than the Clorox is. Apparently we have some issues in the house. So let's neutralize this by going to the water. And so the water is only 30 parts per million. So if you look at cloudy, so the milk is the cloudiest, then the cleaner is the second cloudiest, then right now the Smart Water is less cloudy than all of them. And this is only 73 degrees. Do you think this is supposed to be cold? Is this one cold? No. Okay, so we're also going to neutralize that a little bit. Which one should I do next? Should I do the salad dressing or should I do the mouthwash?
The mouthwash.
Okay, so the mouthwash. Do you think this one's going to be warmer than the milk or colder?
Cold. Warmer.
Warmer? Okay, let's see. Yes, you're right.
And why do you think it will
degrees.
be warmer than the milk? Why? Why do you think so?
Because it's not cold.
Well, how did the milk get cold?
Where did we get it from? Where's the milk usually?
It's from the blue store.
Yes, but where do we get it in our house? Like, where do I get it out from to pour you a glass of milk?
Kroger.
It comes from Kroger, but is it in a hot section or a cold section?
Cold.
Very good. So the mouthwash is 75 degrees Fahrenheit and it's 311 parts per meter. So this one's less cloudy, right? And this one's second.
Clear.
Yes. So do you think this one's going to be cloudy or clear? Cloudy. And do you think this one's going to be warm or cold?
I think it's gonna be cold.
Cold. Okay. So let's see. Okay, now it says, let me see. I think I had it out too long. Okay, and this one says that it is, let me see. I think I had it out too long. This one actually says that it's 69 degrees, so it's colder than the milk. Go figure. And then this one is actually more dense than almost anything we have up here. So that's very, very interesting. So I will have to tell you guys that this has been kind of interesting. I realize that we probably need to look at the temperature in our refrigerator, but also it's a great way to teach science to our kiddos. And so this is, and I'm neutralizing everything right now, but this is the TDS meter. And it also has, you know, you can look at Fahrenheit, and let me give you a close-up of what this looks like. But you can look at Fahrenheit or Celsius, and then you can look at the parts per million. And so this is a great way to demonstrate density, like cloudy or clear to your kiddos. And then also it's a great way to emphasize temperature, so hot versus cold. And what a great way this would incorporate, like, you know, hot weather, cold weather, especially if you have snow outside. Bring that snow inside and break out the pH meter. Or break out the TDS and EC meter. So if you're interested in this, go to Amazon, and also don't forget to visit us on our blog at Weekends Count, and then you can also follow us on Instagram or on Snapchat. And go to weekendscount.com if you have any questions. And I'm Jennifer.
And if you want to know more about this product, you can actually find out more about it on our blog.
Yeah, and if you want to know more about the product, you can find out more on our blog.
This one.
Yes, and she's going to demonstrate the next one in a few moments. Did we have any questions? Oh, you have a question? Okay. What's your question?
This.
Okay, so that one's next? Okay, very good. Well, everyone, hope you're having a great day, and we will see you in a couple of moments for our next experiment.